Hey everybody, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you the choreography that I make to the song Low Key by Brooke. So let's start. Okay, let's start. First, you're gonna step your right, raise your left, cross, point to your right, look, point your arm to your right, going up and close. Okay, the counting goes like this. You're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, look, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For this one, try to imagine someone punch you in your stomach and you're gonna cross and point. Okay? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, walk, and 1, 2, and 3. Look, point, 6, and 8. After this, you're gonna have yourself 1, 2, 3, open. Then side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try again. From here, high. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, drop 8. Okay, next, from here, you're gonna reach, straight your right, grab it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, right, left, bend, and look back. Let's try again. So 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next, from here, you're gonna swing 1, 2, 3, point. Then push 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try. 6, 7, and you show hips. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? By the way, while doing this, your hand is going up. Then point. It goes like this from front. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna up, down, release, step your left, brush your hair, up, right, and left. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, hug yourself again. 7, 8. Then freeze. Any pose you like. 1, 2, 3. Close on 4. Then you're gonna go up on 5, 6, 7. Last pose. That's it. It's all 6, 8, all of it. So let's try from the beginning. Super slow. 7 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Point 6, 7, close 8. 1, 2, 3, open. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Grab 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fast. 5, 6, 7, look 8. Hips. 2, 3, point. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Brush. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pose. That's it. Let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Look. 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 8. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon because I'm going to upload and post more dance tutorial in the future. So stay tuned and God bless. Bye-bye.